Hi Talageños! Welcome sa Teo Ver Frozen Yogurt and Ice Cream Cafe. Meron silang fully air-conditioned indoor dining na kayang ma-accommodate ng up to 18 packs at meron din silang al fresco dining. Paano nga ba natin guys may enjoy yung mga frozen yogurt nila dito? So DIY siya, kayo yung pipili guys ng mga ingredients na ilalagay nyo. Kayo rin yung mag-swirl ng mismong yogurt nila. So una, mag-sanitize muna tayo ng kamay. Step 1, choose your cup. Meron silang small, medium, and large. Step 2 naman, swirl your ice cream or yogurt. Depende kung gaano karami ang gusto nyo. Step 3, add your toppings. From fresh fruit to crunchy almonds, marami kayong pagpipilian. Step 4 guys, weigh in at magbayad na sa cashier. Assist naman kayo ng mga friendly staffs nila. Step 5, sit and enjoy your yogurt or ice cream. Trivia lang Talageños, alam nyo ba na ang frozen yogurt is lower in fat and calories and it's a great source of calcium and probiotics. Kaya guys, don't forget to treat yourself sa mga healthy and delicious frozen yogurt and ice cream nila. Aside sa mga frozen yogurt nila, meron din silang mga ice cream and floats katulad ng strawberry Sprite, matcha, and chocolate float. Kung gusto nyo mag-visit dito guys, open sila ng Monday to Sunday, 10 a.m. until 7:30 p.m. and along the highway dito sa Barangay Tibag, Tarlac City, Tarlac. For more infos and inquiries, mag-direct PM kayo sa kanilang Facebook page. Until our next vlog, see ya!